Hi, it's Dan from IDS, just showing you our desktop ripple tank. It has a 30cm square display screen, so it's great at the front of the classroom so the whole class can see it working at the front of the class. We are currently using a single dipper, but it also comes with a double dipper, a flat wave dipper. It is controlled by this box here, which you can vary the frequency, and you can see a readout of the frequency. You can vary the amplitude of the wave, and you also have the option of synchronizing the LED light source to the same frequency as the wave to enhance the image. The kit also comes with a biconcave reflecting body, a biconvex reflecting body, and a parallel flat plate. I'm now going to do a series of experiments to show you the ripple tank in action. Before each one, there will be a quick description of what's going on. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the small, short demonstrations. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.